Hi guys, welcome back to the crafting channel and to the 10-page challenge with Jenny. Sorry about my fingers, but I've been painting and I scrubbed my fingers to get the paint off and they're a little bit bleedy, but there you go. You know I've got horrible hands anyway. I don't do this, long nails and fancy ring stuff. Anyway, it's been a while. The last video, Jenny completed all her papers and we had a look at all of them, and I've now scanned them and they're available on Patreon, free for members to download. And today we're going to catch up with all of mine. I've finished all of mine now, so we're going to have a bit of a recap to start with. This we're classing as one. Those are the colours, and of course we can use one metallic, so I've chosen silver. That I have scanned and is up on Patreon. This one is also up on Patreon. Ready, scanned, as is this one. You've seen all these before, guys, in the other videos, so I'm just going to quickly go through them. There's that one, and this one, this one, this one, again scanned. Now, my camera might look a little bit different, the colours might look a bit muted, because my other webcam broke. That's the third thing that went, so I've had the PC break, I've had the graphics card break, I've had the monitor break, and now my webcam broken. So I'm like, oh my god. Anyway, that's this one. The ones you haven't seen is this one. This is all hand drawn with black gel pen and then coloured in with the colours of the army green, the burgundy, the yellow and the turquoise. That is also scanned. This one will be scanned and uploaded today. And then I did my first collage one. Like the cat's running around behind me like a mad head. I love this one. I used the acrylic paint on the card. I've got the yellows and the turquoises, the burgundies and the greens. And then I started to put like napkins over. I found some like butterflies in the right colours. I thought they were really, really cute. I got some stamping in the black and also some white paint on there. This will also be scanned and uploaded today. There is one more. I did scan it before I cut it up. But I've already cut it up and made it into tags. I got a bit carried away the other night. I won't be able to put it back together, I don't think. I don't think, she says. Can I? Is that a part? Go with that part and like a jigsaw puzzle. But yeah, I've already cut it up and made it into tags. This was card. I did my doodle art on in the colours of the challenge. We've got the burgundies, the turquoises, the green. And I've tried to find some bits of material. It's got a nice turquoisey colour on it to match. That one's got like turquoise and yellow on it. It's a nice green. So that's those ones. Again, everything is available on Patreon to download, guys, so don't worry, it's all there. And then I started going through my bits and pieces to try and find other bits and stuff to play with. Jenny also made these, which I think are absolutely fantastic. It's alcohol inks. And I think they're beautiful. Very shiny, very reflective. Because now it's time to start putting the journal together. So I've been looking through my stash and I found some bits of material. I probably won't use them all, but we've got some nice bits of material with the green and yellow on there. That one I probably will use. This one probably not, because it's got pink in it. This one's got the turquoise and green. I might use that one. And that's got the yellow and a bit of green in it, but it goes too darker blue. If that darker blue wasn't here, I'd probably use it. The couple here I might use and a couple I might not. It's probably a bit too bright, but they kind of fit the theme, so we'll see. I found some, again, this has got a dark blue in it. It might work, it might not. That's got a few of the colours apart from the burgundy in it, and that's quite nice. There's this. The shame we don't have any much more than this little piece here, because look, it's got the turquoise, the green, and the pale yellow in it. It's got a bit of the burgundy in it. God, this camera's rubbish. I do apologise, guys. This has got some pale yellow and green in it, so that might work. I've got a huge piece like this, the turquoise. Probably end up using that. Got some polka dots. Probably end up using that as well. I've got this beautiful pale yellow ribbon. That's going to be used. All these bits and pieces. That's probably a bit too bright. This is lovely as well. It's got burgundy. They've got the green. Not too sure about that pink there. Probably just use this little section here. Those colours match. Got a nice bit of khaki green stuff there. And I think that's too red. Probably won't use that bit. I found some... Take that out of there. Oop. The nice green tassels. Found like one pale yellow one. Very pale yellow is that. And we've got some like silvery ones to match the metallic colour that I'm using. And that is about all I've found so far. However, I have made a start on the cover. Made a start, it's not finished. Made out of cereal box. This is the inside that I could make all my journals out of. Stiffen it up. On the inside we've got the nice burgundy colour with black inking and silver trim. And on the other side we've got the nice... Green's not quite dark enough. What I'll probably do is get some like pencils and ink work on it and make it darker. I'm going to do a lot. It's going to look a lot different, guys. You probably won't see half of this once I've got it done, but I have done the edges with a little silver trim. Because what I'm doing for my challenge is I'm going to make a full journal. This will be a 2 signature journal. Each signature will have 10 pages folded in half to give 20. So that's 20 sides, giving 40 sides to each signature with a total of 80 sides in this journal. And it'll have some pockets on the front and the back. I'll do some of the work on camera and some off camera. But I'll keep updating you on how it's going. Once my journal is finished, I'm going to put it on eBay. And it will have the highest possible donation amount percentage I can do to charity. So keep an eye out for that. And Jenny is also making a journal as far as I know. And she'll be doing the same with her journal. Putting it on eBay for charity. So, there we go. That's how far we've got. Check out my Patreon. There's a free option to join. You can be a free member, and there's lots of stuff to download over there as well for free too. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. Here's your little update on the 10-page challenge and what we're up to. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you later. Bye.